tukolemu kali akantu ka TikTokers gather.
So can teleze simu yange. Nyamala kiteleza mmotoka. Ningamba TikTokers gather. Gather sawa ya kusabula kanu kebaita Mickey seems to funny. Mickey, who are you? Who are you? Gwani atagamba ko. Some people bali ku TikTok na kufuba over 200k followers. Kati natandika okuvuma, natandika okukola bye litakola in the first place. Kati buli omunga amutya, oyo omwana tebamukwatako. Kati atezerere ebinyumira. Ogwani, who are you? Kati awo kyovolanga bana bagamba kyekyo sabula tuwe.
Okay, we get Mickey seems too funny. One of the TikTokers when nasosokola nawe yabade Mickey. Mickey angamba takumanyi. Who are you?
Angamba tamanyi. He knows me because there is even a time he wanted to abduct me, but since my mom
video najiraba ngogamba Mickey chekimotoka chovuga mwaga kunkwata. I watched that video. Mulina buzibu kine Mickey seems too funny.
Me and Mickey it's TikTok.
You've never met in life?
We've never met in life.
In reality?
Yes. Maybe he saw me the day he wanted to play his games. He saw me, but I was well protected because my mom is in security. So I know when someone calls me, I often move with security because I know some people. So that very day, Mickey called me, but he mukazi. Kumbe ba report zembu na move ku TikTok ko bichibichi. So me I saw his vehicle. I know it on TikTok.
Yes.
So I saw his vehicle ngamba no Mickey. So those people came nangamba kwe uvuma nya abantu. But there was nothing he was going to do. Name I've never met him in life simulabanga ko I don't know him.
Nabade nakoze na interview nangamba takumanyi.
Tamanyi.
In fact I resisting Mickey you're watching this because nabade nawe ngamubuza omanyize ku TikTok ndi mupya. But ngamubuza olutwalone nze ngakuita Safecon. Ngandaga talimanye erinya.
Maybe he knows Safecon, but Mickey he knows me very well kuba namulumya omutwe. First and foremost, Mickey, yomukuba TikTok abali well followed. Atenga ayagala bwakola live akuvuma na kuvuma ya boba la bantu tavuma, but avuma blocking akola bichi. So me I came nganjala mugamba ka chikendeze due to the fans bichi because may take myself to be ntino nzelevo give ku TikTok. Okay, we are fun, but I don't take it very serious.
Okay.
So nze we namugamba ko yengo omuntu nachitwala bubi nakola live nagamba ako ka Safecon live with dark in chat data wano mtogwa ko mu warehouse na basubiza bingi. That's how you're creating all your drama. Kati wabata manye bibi na yakola bya.
I get it. Nya tutunulie kati now obusawo bwo bichi byokola ebitufu, how often do you work like in a week?